Hey you guys, it's Shandera. What is up? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Anyways, in today's video, you guys, we will be unboxing the Kiehls or Kiehls. I hope I'm saying it right. If I am not saying it right, please forgive me. With that being said, we are opening the sold out Kiehls advent calendar that I bought. Plus I got 5 deluxe samples. Actually I got 1 because I asked for 5 and they didn't send me 5. You know, they are so messy at Kiehls. You know, 1-star deduction Kiehls for the messiness, for not sending me my 5 deluxe samples. But everybody and their mama probably got their 5 free deluxe samples for the advent calendar, plus everything else y'all offer for free at y'all website. But me, I didn't get it. I'm trying to open the box. I'm like, oh my God. You know what? Let me open the box and then we'll be back to get into it. Hey, you guys. So I got the box open. Now, this Kiehls advent calendar will run you $90 and you get it for free shipping. Now, it is sold out. I will say that. So we are going to open it and see. Should you buy, or did you miss it? Because you couldn't get it, but did you miss it? Now, I do think it's a beautiful calendar. I just love, oh, this is cute. Oh my God, this is a lot of stuff. How much did they give us? They gave us 24 products for $90. I will say this, the last advent calendar I did review was the Trader Joe's one, and that was 12 products for $20. So far so good. However, the Trader Joe's, all their products were 1 ounce products except the face mask and the lip balm, and I think the rose oil. But let's get into this calendar. I will be going in chronological order because that's what I personally like to do. When I look at these videos, I like to go in chronological order because I don't have time for you doing 12, then 10, then 9, then 8. No, I want to see 1 through 24, not 5, then 1, then 3, then 7. I don't like that. So personally, on my channel, we are going in chronological order to see, is this worth $90? I will say this is a beautiful just layout. Sonomi is going to be excited to play with this. Like, look at you guys. Like, the camera is not doing it justice. Look, just look at this layout. Let me autofocus. Just look at how beautiful this is. Oh my God, oh my God. It's like a little storybook. Okay, let's get started. I can already tell you half of this don't even look full size, but we better get at least 2 full size products. And because you are a skincare brand, I want to see a lot of skincare items. I don't want to see no shampoos because I didn't look to see what was in it because I was just excited to get it. But I don't want to see no shampoos, no body conditioners, no body washes. I want to see skincare Kiehls. So you better come through with the advent calendar, although the packaging, you get 5 stars for great packaging. But let's get into this. So the first one is their avocado creamy eye treatment. And this is actually a pretty good sample. So this is 5 ounces of their mega eye treatment. Oh my God, 2 is right next to 1. This is their, you guys, I'm going to autofocus the camera so you guys can see, but this is their, what is this? Oh my God, and they have, like directions right next to it. So this is their ultra facial oil free gel cream, and it, yeah, so it tells you how to apply it right next to it. Can you guys see that? Let me turn the light down so you guys can see. So here's the sample, and right next to the sample it tells you how to apply it at all the directions. I think that's really unique, Kiehls. Come through. Okay, so the next one is 3. Where is 3? My hand is tired. 3. Where is 3? Oh my God, I gotta find 3. Where is 3? I don't see 3. Am I blind? Where's 3? Oh my God, guys, 3 is on the other side. Lord help us. So here is 3. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Here is 3, and it's a little sample of their Midnight Recovery Concentrate. It's kind of small, Kiehls. I would have liked it just to be a little bigger size. So yeah, I don't know, but let's get back to 4. 4 is where? 4 is down here. Okay, so 4 is where it says Chapter 2, Skating Wonderland. It wouldn't be the holidays in New York without some ice skating. Can you find Mr. Bones? Oh my God, Sonomi is gonna love this. Okay, so this is their Rare Earth Deep Cleansing Mud Mask. This is what you get in number 4. It is a sample. It's a sample, and the sample is about either 0.25 ounces or 5 ounces. So you either get a mini sample or a deluxe sample. So far for $90, I'm not really impressed with the items I've gotten so far, and we already at number 4, and we got 24 days, a few more days to go. I'm looking for number 5, so bear with me. You guys, it took me 10 minutes to find number 5. I have to turn the camera off just to find number 5, but here's number 5. I was about to get on camera and have a fit and say, number 5 is not here. But number 5 is their Hydro Plumping Retexturizing Serum Concentrate, and that's 0.17 flow ounces for that. Now let's go to number 6. Ooh, these are mini sizes all the way. This is their Super Multi Corrective Cream. That is number 6. Okay, where is number 7? Oh my God. Okay, whew, thank God, like right in my face. And number 8 is next to it. Okay, so we got a 1 ounce, finally a 1 ounce size. And this is what it looks like. If you guys can see it, I have to turn the calendar upside down to show you guys what it looks like. But it is a 1 ounce size, and this is their Calendula Deep Cleansing Foamy Face Wash. I'm really happy they actually added what they do and how, and I'm really actually happy they added the names to the cardboard. That really is a blessing, because some advent calendars don't do that, and it could make it difficult when you're trying to get it out and look inside. So I'm really happy they did that, you know, while I'm explaining it to you guys on the YouTube channel. So this one, which is number 8, side note, this is a little chapter for Mr. Bones. Again, this is chapter 3. We didn't even get to chapter 1. Where was chapter 1? I didn't even see chapter 1. Oh, chapter 1 is number 22. Wouldn't it be 1, 2, 3, not 3? Oh my God, they doing it like people who don't do the advent calendars in chronological order. I'm not gonna even read it, but it does say, I'm gonna read it to y'all. It does say, caroling in the square. Get in the holiday spirit with Mr. Bones as he sings a few carols in Washington Square Park. This is their Clearly Corrective Dark Spot Solution, number 8, and it's right here next to number 7, and it's like 0.7 milliliters of product. We only got one 1 ounce product so far from what I am seeing. Here is number 9, and this is their Calendula Serum Infused Water Cream. Okay, so number 10, I am really having a hard time with this calendar, y'all. Having a hard time trying to get through the numbers. This is their lip balm. Kiehls, what's going on? I only got one 1 ounce product so far for $90. It took me so long to find number 11. I don't know if I'm going blind. It's a lot of numbers. It is a lot going on with this calendar, but I finally found number 11, and it's their Midnight Recovery Eye. I guess it's their eye serum, and this is 0.1 flow ounce, 3 milliliters, and it's right here. Here's number 12. So here is their Creme de Coups. I heard that was a good body cream from them, so I'm excited to try that. And this is actually 1 ounce, so we got so far 2 1 ounce products, and this is a $90 calendar. I'm just letting y'all know. So this is the cream we got. Now let's get to number 13. Oh, right next to it. Thank you. Oh, I don't know why y'all didn't keep them in order. I'm trying to go in chronological order. I see why people not going in chronological order, because it takes forever to find the numbers, and I see. So this is their Ultra Facial Toner, and guess how many ounces this is? 1.4 flow ounces of their Ultra Facial Toner. Okay. I mean, so far we've got how many? I think about three or four 1 ounce or more products. I am going to give them the benefit of the doubt so far. So here's number 14. It's right here. And this is their Centinela Sensitive Cica cream. And you get how many ounces of this? You get 5 milliliters of this cream. Okay. Where's number 15? Okay, so here's number 15. 15 is right here. You guys, this is a lot going on. It's a lot going on. This is their Ultra Facial Cream. I enjoy Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I think it's a wonderful cream to keep on the face, and it's really hydrating, and it lasts a long time. I tried a sample from Sephora, and I've been meaning to get a big jar, but I will give it to them with this Ultra Facial Cream. It's a good facial cream. Yeah, and you don't get but probably a half an ounce of it. No, you get 0.25 ounces of it, which is, what is that? 7 milliliters. So that is number 15. Let's go to number 16. Okay, so 15 and 16 is right. That's 15. This is 16. I'm happy y'all finally decided to put them in order. So this is, oh, we got a full 1 ounce size of their Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. Okay, come through. And number 17 is right down here. And it does have, I think that's chapter 6 or chapter 5. I don't know. I don't know how to read Roman numerical numbers. Well, I used to, but not anymore. So I'm not going to even go there with myself. But it does have another Mr. Bone story. I'm just letting y'all know. And it's their Iris Extract Activating Treatment Essence, and you get 1.4 ounces. Okay, Kiehls, come through. So far, I'm getting a little bit more excited than I was in the beginning. I think I'm happy because I don't see no shampoos, body washes, and lotions. And this is number 18. This is their Facial Fuel Energizing Moisturizing Treatment for Men. Okay, so I guess I'll give that to Josh. And this is Point Flow. And this is 15 milliliters, 0.5 flow ounces. Okay, here's number 19. So far now they want to get it all together. They should have just did all 1 through 10 on this side. And then the rest of, I don't understand. And this is their Powerful Strength Line Reducing Concentrate, and it has 12.5% vitamin C plus hyaluronic acid, and you get 0.17 flow ounces of it. Okay, so number 20 is right here. Let's open it. So number 20 is their Ultra Facial Cleanser, and you get 1 ounce of their Ultra Facial Cleanser. Y'all see that? Let me autofocus. Y'all see that? Come through, Kiehls. And where are we? Finally at 21. Okay, here's 21. This is their amino acid shampoo. Why I didn't want no shampoo? I didn't want no shampoo. Move it right along. Move it right along. 22. I swear to God, it better not be no conditioner. Oh, that's 10. 22 is their amino acid conditioner. I see what they're doing. It's like a little story. I see it. I get it. Whoever came up with this idea really did a great job. Where's 23? Okay, 23 is right here. Oh my God. Oh Lord. This is so difficult. Oh my God. It says you found Mr. Bones. Remember, I knew I should have been reading the stories to you guys. I found Mr. Bones. Look how cute this is. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look it. It's a pendant. Oh my God. This is so cute. Y'all look at this. Look it. Oh my God. Let me turn the light down. Oh my God. Look how cute. It's it's a little pendant. See, remember when we were reading like the chapters about Mr. Bones, and then finally at 23 we found him? I think that is so, oh my God. 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 Okay, let me stop. Let me stop using God's name in vain. Okay, last but not least is 24. The creme de la creme. And it's 2.4 ounces of the ultimate strength hand salve. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about it. I'm actually gonna give it a 4.5 out of 5. I wish they would have kept the numbers just not all over the place because it was difficult to go through. I thought it was cute, the story. Remember, I started reading it to you guys. I wish I would have continued to read it to you guys, but I didn't, and I'm sorry I did it. And then it says we found Mr. Bones, so now I'm gonna go ahead, read it, and then look at Mr. Bones because I think that is so cute. This is actually, whoever came up with this at the Kiehls team, you get a 5 out of 5 for creativity, awesomeness. I think it is personally worth $90 due to the fact we are dealing with skincare items. They did give you a lot of skincare items. However, I would have preferred to see more 1 ounce products, and the reason being Kiehls, because on your website when you buy this, you give away a lot of free deluxe sample sizes on your website. So if you're giving away a lot of free deluxe sample sizes, I would have preferred to see at least 2 to 3 more 1 ounce products for me to justify giving this a 5 out of 5. Whoever came up with this idea did a wonderful job, and I think we should make this a tradition on this channel, you guys, where we open the Kiehls advent calendar. I am actually so happy I got it because it is so unique and so cute. And for you guys who did not get this calendar, depending on if you are a person who likes skincare, a person who's really into the spirit of gift giving, then yeah, you are missing out, because this is a wonderful thing to open day to day and then find Mr. Bones. It's just really the cutest little thing. If you are really quirky and like cutesy things, then you probably missed out on this. If you don't care about any of this stuff, then you didn't miss out. But this is just so awesome. Whoever came up with this idea, I'm gonna go on Twitter and tweet, great idea, Kiehls. I'm gonna actually go and leave them an awesome message on Instagram about this advent calendar because I thought it was so unique. This is really unique. I think you did a great detail. You made it very affordable at $90 compared to Barbara Strom's out here charging us $700 and almost $1,000 for her advent calendar. You did a great job. You gave us lots of details. You gave us a pendant, just a beautiful calendar. Anyways, you guys, with that being said, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys can find this at your local stores because it is sold out online. Anyways, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.